Thank you for tuning back in. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get this look using LAKEY's hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. I don't like to have my cap so far down on my head, so I try to line it up with where I would want my wig to be placed. So I think I did pretty good. So now I'm gonna just go in and just lay all this down so it can be smooth like a bald head. Yes, honey, I'm gonna cut this off, so don't worry about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said in the beginning, it is Allie Grace hair, and it's 22 inches, 180 density. So I would suggest for a beginner to get 150 because it is pretty thick, and I did cut it. So I'm not going to actually curl it. Let me see if I can let you guys see the end. But I'm not gonna actually curl it right now because I'm really not going anywhere. But it's really soft. It did not shed at all. But you will have to go in and do some real deal plucking. So keep that in mind. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram and follow me at @IamNisi.Love. I will put it here on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Bye.